Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to hide the language bar in Windows 11. The first step is to get the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon and click Settings, or you can press the Windows key and Windows key and Windows I key at the same time to get this shortcut. Look for Time and Language and click it. Look for Typing and click it. Look for Advanced Keyboard Settings and click that as well. Now look for Language Bar Options, click that. Mine is greyed out, but for you just click the hidden option. Scroll down to Apply and click that. And click OK. Close the window. This should immediately take effect. You have been watching a how-to tutorial by Aspiration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click or tap that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notification bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care of yourselves.